Hey guys, welcome to Oases, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover and unwind. Well, the holiday season is here and I have some travel tips for the holiday season. Firstly, when you're traveling during the holiday season, avoid peak hours. Try and travel early in the morning or late in the evening. And secondly, take advantage of the holiday packages to cut down on costs and get good deals, discounts. And thirdly, make sure when you're going to visit family and friends, you're taking gifts, make sure you don't wrap the gifts early in advance, because the boxes might get spoiled while on transit. And also, if you're traveling maybe by flight, they might tell you to unwrap the gifts so that for security purposes. And fourthly, of course, when you're traveling, you never know, there might be delays, so carry some snacks, water, entertainment to keep you busy and don't feel so inconvenienced. Then lastly, make great memories when you're traveling during the holidays. Well, that's it from Oases. I wish you happy holidays. From Oases to you. Peace. Like, share and subscribe. patsoasis.com. And also check out our ebooks on Amazon. All the best during the holidays. Ciao. Cheers.